tell you what is the best side hustle to get started with online this year and why you should get started. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you like the 7 different side hustle I did in 30 days and how much money I made out of it, so you can judge by yourself. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romane. I'm a passive income expert and I'm helping you making money online so you can build the dream life you actually want. Financial independence, financial stability. I'm showing you what kind of side hustle and what kind of ways you can find to make money online with ease and with something that is matching your lifestyle. During 30 days, I've tried 7 different side hustles and made money out of all of them. I'm going to rank them from my least favorite to my most favorite and tell you what are the pros and the cons of each side hustle so you can decide by yourself which one you want to get started with and how you can start making money online this year. I'm going to start by my least favorite, the 7th one, which is affiliate marketing. I'm going to start by the pros and then I'm going to tell you the cons of this side hustle. The pros is you can start affiliate marketing with absolutely no money. It doesn't require any upfront cost or investment and you can actually make it profitable for yourself. And on top of this, it's very beginner friendly. What you just need to do is to look for affiliate programs on your Google search bar on any kind of niche. You can find anything around fitness, plants, organization, cleaning, business, marketing, social media, anything you have in mind, you can promote a product towards it with affiliate marketing. On top of this, once you found like a very good affiliate program which gives you anywhere between 20% to 40% commission, you can actually make really good money out of it if you keep creating content around this and keep promoting it. With TikTok being totally on the uptrend right now, like it's a great way to choose this platform to create content in order to make money out of affiliate marketing and to pick your product and promote it heavily on this platform. Why I didn't like affiliate marketing? I am someone who likes to get quick results and I've made money online so many times before with so many different ways and side hustles that I actually know with the time I've invested, I could have made much more on any kind of other side hustle. Affiliate marketing is a very long-term game. It's something you're going to make like recurring income or money from when you are putting actually a lot of content or a lot of effort out of it. So first, like it requires a lot of time in order to start making really good money. The second thing is like I like to make 100% of the profit of something I promote. So this is why I didn't really like it. I really wanted to have more results with affiliate marketing, but let's go to the like side hustle. Number 6, selling on Etsy. I've been selling on Etsy for a while now. I have an e-commerce on Etsy and I'm selling products that are sourced from Morocco, and basically I have not been active at all on it, so it's very difficult to be very objective about this side hustle. I know I made money out of it. I make really good money right now because it's been now 3 years I'm doing this, but the first months of trying my Etsy side hustle, I made actually £150. So I'm going to tell you what are the pros of selling on Etsy. So if you have a product where you can have a high profit margin, it's really good because you will be actually making money quite passively, not really passively, but you will be able to make money without having to generate traffic because Etsy has already its platform and their own SEO engine, so your products can be found very easily. The second part is the negative points of Etsy. Etsy is taking a lot of commissions. They are taking actually 30% of your revenue, which is super frustrating because when you are making that much money, seeing 30% of your revenue like going out of your actual income, it's very difficult. On top of this, the marketplace is really saturated, which means even if you want to have 30% of profit on your product, like increase your price by 30%, you will find yourself in competition with other people who are selling exactly the same product at a lower price point, which means like more buyers will go to the lower price point products and you will have more difficulty of selling your own products. Number 5, eBay flipping. I really enjoy doing like eBay flips because I was buying stuff like very cheap from a second-hand store or something like this, and I was flipping it on eBay and getting money out of it. Why I liked it? Because I like the experience of looking for something. However, it took quite a bit of time. The first month of eBay flipping, I actually made £177, which is quite good because considering I spent like a little time just like sourcing the different products. I just list them and then I waited. I didn't use any kind of ads. I just put listing like maybe every 2 days because eBay likes you to like nurture their listing in order to be seen more, to get more traffic on you. So I really wanted to just try out and see how much money I could make from eBay. However, again, you are relying on a third-party platforms, which you need to take in consideration, because if you have bad ratings on eBay, your store can be at risk and you can lose all your source of income just on a snap of a finger. The first one is actually drop shipping. I started drop shipping at the beginning of my business. That was one of the first side hustle I actually started, and in 30 days I made more than £240. I was actually drop shipping like party invitations and party accessories for children. So basically I set up a Shopify store and I started like looking for products on Alibaba and AliExpress in order to source them and to make them send straight away to the person who is purchasing it, which means you have no inventory. You don't have to worry about the delivery. You don't have to worry about setting up anything. The only issue is the delivery between like China to the actual person can take a while, and people may want to have like the delivery and the products very quick. So this is why like there is a lot of unhappy customer, and this is what disturbed me when I started to do the drop shipping. If you find the good suppliers and the great delivery on AliExpress, you can actually make a lot of profits. Okay, now we are arriving on the top 3 side hustles I've tried, and I can't wait to tell you about this third one. The third one is actually Amazon FBA. And yes, like I've never been a big fan of Amazon, and when I got started with Amazon FBA, I was really doubtful about what kind of result I could expect. But I was actually very surprised, because I started this side hustle around like December last year, just for Christmas, and we actually make a really good money, £490 of profit with Amazon FBA. There is a lot of pros and there is some cons, so I'm going to go with the pros. Pros is basically like I was purchasing in big quantity, like cheaper, like product that could be resold on Amazon, basically at a higher price point. You have an app where you can see the profit you're gonna make per product, and you need to be very thorough with like the profit you're gonna make, because there is also the delivery, etc. So you need to think about all of this. The number one mistake I've made is I did the delivery by myself instead of sending the product to Amazon FBA for them to take care of it through Prime delivery, etc. I would recommend you to send directly to Amazon FBA so you don't have to worry about the delivery, because the delivery was very painful. I had only 48 hours to ship the products, and sometimes if I couldn't make it in 48 hours, that was impacting my account. However, like Amazon has so much traffic that your products are selling so quickly and it's so easy to make money out of it. However, you will have to pay a subscription of I think £29 each month if you are selling on FBA. So if you are not making any profit, this could be like money out of your pocket, and it was a really good experience, except when it started to get very intense with the delivery. I couldn't keep up and it was impacting my account, so I decided to stop. Number 2, UGC content. If you don't know what is UGC content, it's user generated content. Brands are paying you to create content with their product. Why I like this way of making money? I made more than £550 doing this because I love creating content. This is a part I'm really passionate about. It's very easy for me to create content around a product, around an application, or any kind of services people can tell me to do. It's very good if you are a creative. It doesn't require any upfront cost to get started with, and you can make actually very good money if you have the time to actually create content. Obviously, you need to be passionate about creating content and doing this for any kind of brand, and be in touch with the brands and make sure you are entering in their criteria of what they want and the quality of content they want. But once you are starting to build your portfolios and getting known with this brand, that's recurring contracts you can get all the time. The only basically minus in the old side hustle, I think, is you have a bit of restriction from the brands, a lot of back and forth, and you need to find good brands if you want to get paid like good money. That's my favorite one, my favorite of all time, digital products. When I got started with digital products, I made £1,200 in the first week of launching my digital products. I made £1,400 in the first month because I didn't focus on launching after that. But digital products is such a great way of making money online, and it's very beginner friendly. It can be applied to any kind of niche, and it doesn't matter like what you know about it or not, you can actually make money after digital products very, very quickly. It is so easy to sell. You can create it on Canva, you can sell it on your Shopify store, or you can sell it on Etsy if you don't want to have the hassle of like creating your own audience, etc. However, me, I started to use it and to sell it on my social media with my social media audience. When I started to grow social media, I was able to make even more money with digital products, which is absolutely breathtaking. A lot of people, a lot of the members and clients I'm working with are also changing their life and making so much money with digital products. In the space of 3 months, they go from 0 to 10K, and it's actually incredible what you can do when you are ready to teach something to someone. If you want to get started with this side hustle, focus on something that you are actually being able to teach. If you are good at cleaning, if you are good at cooking, if you are good at social media, coding, or whatever it could be, like creating a digital product about it to have people doing that is actually so powerful. You will not be able to sell just a digital product once, but instead you will be able to sell different digital products to the same person. So it's just about like learning the right strategy and how to get started with that. If you want to get started with digital products, I really advise you to check the link out there, like just under my YouTube video, because I put a free training where I'm teaching you how to make your first £1,000 with digital products. Since I got started, I never stopped. That's the only side hustle I kept with, because I could create passive income out of it. It didn't require so much time to maintain and to create, and I made more than 200K out of it in the space of 3 years extra on top of my actual active income in my business. It is something you can do if you have a business. It's something you can do if you don't have a business. All what you need is a laptop or a phone and Wi-Fi, and it can be done from anywhere in the world. You don't have restriction for opening an Etsy shop as it is for any kind of country in Africa. You don't have restriction for eBay shop either. You are not depending on any kind of platform, and this is why it is absolutely beautiful, because you can make money no matter where you are at in the world, no matter where country you come from and the level of your experience. You can always teach something to someone, and this is why it is such an amazing product, because you have absolutely no competition. All you just need to know is to do digital marketing, like to create a social media platform on TikTok or on Instagram and start creating content around like the topic you want to teach about. There are people who are making hundreds of thousands of pounds and dollars every month just by selling low ticket digital products, because it's such an easy product to sell. So if you want to get started, I really invite you to follow on my channel, and I really hope you're gonna start one of these side hustles to make money online. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I would love to know which kind of side hustle you really want to get started with in the comment. If you didn't already, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to know more about how to make passive income online, how to make money online, but also how to build your financial independence so you can work from whenever you want and quit your job to finally live the life you actually dream for yourself.